Hey guys, Bill again. So today I'm going to talk about something important when you're gardening. It's planning to have more than you need in case you lose some to pests. So here, I'm going to show you why I'm saying that. Okay, there you see it's my garden bed. I have collards growing there. You see how this one barely has a leaf left anymore. And this one right over there has no leaves. But the other ones over there are fine. So at least I'll have some growing, and I have some in my other garden too. So even if I'm losing one or two to pests, I'm still going to get plenty. That's how I'm growing my food. I know some of the seeds will not sprout, and I know some of the plants will get sick or get eaten. So in that case, I'm just planting more than I need, like for the lettuce. See how I planted that row? Well, I had some flooding from my gutter overflowing, and I lost part of it. But I planted lettuce pretty much everywhere in my garden, so even if I have some spotty germination in some places, I don't really care. So I've still way more than I need. And, well, the nice thing is, if I have more than I need, I can give it to my bunnies, who will make me some manure that I can put after that in the garden. But if I don't have extra, especially the lettuce, then I'll give them stuff like those radish leaves. They've come to a point where whenever I come home with radishes, they're looking at me waiting for the leaves. They really love it. So here you can see I have more collards. They're also getting eaten a bit by some pests. So I still have extra, so I don't care too much. I'll probably start some more in a propagation tray at some point, and after that I'll replant them in the garden to cover whatever plant I'm not gonna leave in the soil, if any. But clearly it's a problem I've been having with my brassicas. You see here, this is kale actually, and the leaves are getting eaten. So I need to figure out what pest is eating that. Then again, kale, I still have another row full of that. So if those don't really survive, I really don't care too much. They were just there to take space. And as you can see in there, I still have some weeds, so that's what I'm doing while I'm out there. Just pulling, you can tell that's grass that doesn't belong there, and so forth. So anyway, I was just checking my plants. I tend to do that at least once a day, be sure everything's nice. And that's why I decided to talk about the pest damage. So that's one important thing to do when you're gardening is to check on your plants regularly. Be sure everything is fine. So as you can see here, I had some basil that I transplanted. It's looking well. Some other kind of basil there, looking really good too. So far, I'm kind of happy with my visit in the garden. And I'll just continue weeding for a little bit and talk to you on another topic also when I get there. Something else I wanted to mention, when I was talking about telling what is a weed or what is not, one thing you'll notice with weeds is they grow really quickly. It's the kind of things that there's nothing there the day before, and first thing you know, there's this thing growing, and right away it's a weed. Because weeds are plants that tend to grow naturally where you are, or they're foreign plants that have made themselves very comfortable in your garden and in our climate in general. So they tend to grow a lot faster than what we have in the garden. So, we don't always choose plants that are great in this climate. So they tend to struggle a bit more sometimes. Let's say you have warmer climate plant like an eggplant. Those you would start way before you need to plant them outside, otherwise you won't get anything. But otherwise, if you were to grow it straight in the garden, you'd have an issue with it not growing as fast as the other plants because it likes heat. Whereas you'll have plants like grass that doesn't really seem to care as much, or some of those little weeds that I have that sprout up pretty much any time. Hey guys, it's all for today. I'll continue weeding my garden while the temperature is a bit lower, and I'll see you all next time for another video. So in the meantime, if you like this video, please like and subscribe. I'll have way more stuff coming up soon, so keep watching guys.